Good afternoon, dear visitors. Let me present you the main result of the study on the topic Analysis of Tools for the Development of Augmented Reality Technologies, authors of the article Tetiana, Vakaliuk and Svitlana Pochtoviuk. Recently, scientists have been paying special attention to the use of augmented reality in various classes, both in general secondary education and in higher education. Therefore, the development of various means of augmented reality is also relevant. However, the development of any means, including augmented reality, requires the choice of means for the development of augmented reality technologies. That's why the purpose of the article is to analyze and available tools to develop augmented reality technologies, in particular for the educational sector. At the moment, the choice of cross-platform product is small. Here are some of the most popular cross-platform engines on the market: Unreal Development Kit, Unity Engine, MonoGame, Unreal Engine, and others. All these drives have good technical performance and support most mobile platforms. However, most developers make their choice based not only on the number of support platforms but also on the ease of transferring code to different platform performance and more. Since you need a tool to create application for phones with Android operating system, several options have been selected. Unity Gaming Engine for developing two-dimensional and three-dimensional application and game for various platforms such as Windows, OS X, Windows Phone, Android, Apple iOS, Linux, and others. Unity can be downloaded for free. This version will not be a demo version for a while. You can use it to create your project. Only it is impossible to expose it paid in the market, and it is necessary to put advertising in the application or game. The Unity development environment is the most convenient for the software implementation of augmented reality technologies. It is a high-level development environment for application and games, includes a powerful edit editor with a graphical interface and a graphical engine optimized for mobile devices. Here are the main criteria by which to describe Unity as a modern gaming engine which reaches potential and ample opportunity. The main characteristic of Unity present at the slide. SDK Software Development Kit, a set of development tools that allow software professionals to create applications for a specific software package, software basic development tools, hardware platform, computer system, games consoles, operating system, and other platforms. The SDK takes advantage to each platform and reduces integration time. All the SDK can be divided into two major groups. The first group, creating by developers for those who want to make an independent program or game. An example of such an SDK is DirectX, which is installed on almost any computer. Another group, the second type of SDK, is self-sufficient tools. This includes the Torque Games engine from Garage Games, a full-fledged gaming engine that supports the most advanced technologies. Let's make a comparative analysis of available SDKs. Wikitude, a paid platform for working with augmented reality. Support platforms Android, iOS, smart glasses. Software Future is three-dimensional tracking technologies based on SLAM, geodate, image recognition and tracking, and cloud recognition. Vuforia, one of the world's most popular platforms to help develop augmented reality. Support platforms Android, iOS, UWP, and Unity. Software Future, recognition of different types of visual objects, cubes, cylinder, plane, text and environment recognition. Vumark, a combination of image and QR code. Using Vuforia Object Scanner, you can scan and create object labels. Unity plugins is very powerful and easy to integrate, free to using, but these are also paid plugins that cost $99 of a month. Kudan, Vuforia main competitor greatly simplifies augmented reality development, support platform Android and iOS. Software feature recognition of simple images and 3D objects provides easy database generation in the Unity editor. The free version is for application testing only. The cost of a paid license is $90 for a month. Maxst offers two different tools for pattern and environment recognition, database creation, online thought tracking managers, support platform Android, iOS, Windows, OS X. The free version differs from the paid one only by a watermark. The Pro version costs $999 for a month. Xzimg represents three products for working with application based on augmented reality, augmented face, augmented vision, and magic face. Support platform Android, iOS, Windows, WebGL. Software feature. Augmented face recognizes and tracks the face with Unity. Augmented vision recognizes the tracked flat image from Unity. Magic Face is designed to replace facial features and Apple makeup. A free trial is only available for demonstration, invert color, and change image. The paid version costs €1,600 for a month. NyARToolkit, Japanese augmented reality library based on AREdu2021. Support platform Android and iOS. Used only for image identification and tracking, easily integrated, but English version not available. Free for use. Metaio SDK library for creating augmented reality mobile applications. Support platform Windows, OS X, iOS, Android used OpenGL. Allows developers to use content without prior encryption to implement augmented reality in any application, offering model for tracking, three-dimensional object, face recognition and tracking, infrared and laser tracking, advanced camera calibration, and transparent optics. No offline tools of server encryption and required to employ 3D models and track data. Free for use. To determine the most optimal environment for the development of a mobile application, the method of expert evaluation was used. To this end, the manifestation of each of the defined criteria for each of these development environments was checked, for which the expert were offered a corresponding questionnaire. A total of 20 respondents were involved, experts, deans of faculty, head, and lecturers of departments of higher education institutions related to the IT field, as well as IT specialists. To determine the degree of manifestation of each criterion, respondents were asked to evaluate its performance on a 4-point scale from 0 to 3. The indicator was considered positive if the value of the arithmetic means of its parameter was not less than 1.5. Analysis of the available environment for the development of AR mobile application allowed to identify the following criteria and relevant indicator for the selection: design, accessibility, multilingualism, easy of use and administration, free of charge, multi-platform, functional, recognition of different types of visual objects, text and environment recognition, a combination of image and QR code, database creation. The design criterion characterizes the convenience and stability in use and administration of the environment for the development of AR mobile application. The indicator accessibility means that the environment for the development of AR mobile application is the presence of the internet should be accessible to anyone as well as anytime and anywhere. The indicator multilingualism implies to present in the environment for the development of AR mobile application support for different languages. The indicator multi-platform characterizes the environment for the development of AR mobile application in terms of adaptation to use in different operating systems, Windows, Android, iOS, and others. Basic data on the indicators of the design criterion for each of the selected environment for the development of AR mobile application presented on the slide. The functional criterion characterizes the environment for the development of AR mobile application from a technical point of view and provides for the presence of the following indicators. Recognition of different types of visual objects, which involves the recognition of different types of visual objects such as cube, cylinder, plant. Text and environment recognition, which characterizes whether the text and the environment will be recognized. Combination of image and QR code, and database creation. Basic data on the indicator of the functional criteria for each of the selected environment for the development of AR mobile application presented on the slide. The analysis results are presented on the slide. A review of alternatives based on the most important criteria showed that the most optimal environment for development of a mobile application is Vuforia. Vuforia SDK is a mobile application of mobile software that allows you to create augmented reality application. It uses computer vision technology to recognize and track flat image to simple 3D objects in real time. Depending on the purpose of application, you can use not only cross-platform engines, but also sets of development tools. Such kits allow you to speed up and simplify the process of developing any program with elements of augmented reality. This advantage and disadvantages will help beginners to choose the most convenient tool for developing augmented reality technologies. Thank you for your attention.